Okay, here we got the Kutime or Qtime wireless switch controller. First opinion, the box looks like it's a controller for Xbox One, Xbox 360, but right here says it, Nintendo Switch. I will say I already opened this up and paired it to my Switch, and it pairs pretty seamlessly. Best word of advice is to plug in the USB-C cable to your Switch, go to the controller settings, and it'll see it right away. It's definitely durable. It doesn't seem cheap. It definitely doesn't look anything like the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. That for comparison. Size is about the same, but for the most part, it's got all the same functionality. It's not stiff, got all the clicks. Buttons don't light up. What you do have here is your home button and your camera button. So it's not up here on the controller like the Pro controller or other third-party controllers are. But for the most part, who's taking pictures during the time they're playing anyway? D-pad is great, flexible. I was playing Blades, playing Street Fighter Alpha, works fine. R buttons, L buttons, everything's good. All the triggers are great. Right there, USB-C connectivity. Plugs right into your Switch, pairs right up. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. Oh, my Switch isn't on. There you go. Just vibrated, paired up, player one.